Hi, this is Jeremy, the Customer Success Manager at TownWeb. In this video, we're going to look at how to convert Microsoft Word documents into PDFs using free online software. Let's get started. So, to start, when we want to convert a Word document to a PDF, if we don't have software already on our computer, the best place to start is with Google. We don't have a preference for a specific converter, so let's just type in PDF converter and see what comes up. Again, we don't have a preference for any of these converters, so we'll just choose one at random. So it's asking us to choose the file we'd like to convert. So let's just choose the file from our computer. So Town of Test Agenda. It's processing it and it's finished converting it to a PDF. And we can just click download that. We can click to download that to our computer. And let's open it up and have a look. And there we go. There's our PDF. And then all we have to do is come back to our dashboard and upload that PDF to wherever we'd like to use that particular PDF. And that's how we convert a Word document to a PDF. Thanks for watching. If you need additional help, please contact TownWeb Support, which you can do directly through your dashboard, or at help@townweb.com, or you can just call us. Thank you.